Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tutorial Influencer. In today's video we are going to show you where you can find or view your time watch on YouTube, or how long do you spend watching on YouTube. So let's go. According to YouTube Help Center, the time watch profile lets you check your daily average watch time. It also shows how long you have watched YouTube videos today, yesterday, and over the past 7 days. Remember, this feature is only available on mobile phones but not for your tablets. Step number 1. Go to YouTube app and sign in. Step number 2. Tap your YouTube profile picture. Step number 3. Tap time watched. On the time watched page, you can also change your settings using the tools to manage your YouTube. If you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify on our next videos.